Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is open, move your mouse to the top left corner of the window. Click on the word Steam in the menu bar. A small menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for an option called Cloud on the left side. Click on Cloud. On the right side, you will see an option that says Enable Steam Cloud. Make sure this option is turned on. If it is turned off, click on it to enable it. After confirming that Steam Cloud is turned on, look to the left side of the settings window again and find the option called Downloads. Click on the Downloads option. In the Downloads section, look for a setting called Download Region. You will see a drop-down menu here. Click on the drop-down and select a different region from the list. Changing the region often helps fix cloud sync errors because it connects you to a different server. Now scroll down to the bottom of the download section. You will see a button called Clear Download Cache. Click on this button. A message will pop up asking you to confirm. Click on Confirm. Steam will close and clear its cache. It will restart automatically after a few seconds. Once Steam opens again, click on Steam in the top left corner and go back into the settings. This time, look for the option called Storage. Click on Storage. Find the drive where your games are stored. To the right of it, you will see three dots. Click on the three dots and select Repair Library folder from the menu. Steam will now repair the game files in your library and fix any issues related to the Steam Cloud Sync error. Thanks for watching.